Hello there. Hope you've had a good week so far. It has been a rather breezy one for many of us, but there is a little respite from the winds coming up. Taking a look at the bigger picture, we can see why it has been so breezy. A tight squeeze in the isobars, bringing these brisk westerly winds through. And into Friday, we will see a cold front sinking southwards, continuing to bring some further squally winds. It's into Saturday where we'll start to see an area of high pressure begin to build in across the UK, and that will bring a bit of a calmer note for a time being at least. But if we focus on the here and now, rewind the clock back to Thursday evening, the cold front that we saw will begin its life up in the northwest, pushing its way into Scotland and Northern Ireland over the course of Thursday evening and into the night. The rain it brings could be heavy at times and come in a fairly short amount of time frame as well. Those squally winds potentially bringing gusts of 45-50 miles per hour. Staying dry further to the south, and we'll retain that rather mild air with the cloud and breeze, so many locations only dropping down into 11 degrees or so. Behind the cold front though, we're seeing the introduction of some fresher and cooler air, so a late minimum for the likes of Scotland, and some rural locations may drop down into mid-single figures. For the morning rush hour then on Friday, this cold front could prove a bit of a feature for areas of northern England, continuing to bring that outbreaks of heavy rain, the odd rumble of thunder possible as well. We'll see sunny intervals coming in from behind, but with that some blustery showers. These could also be heavy with the risk of hail and thunder. Southeast England though, tending to stay dry for most part of the day, the cold front not quite reaching them until later on, and we'll see that mild air still coming up from the southwest, so temperatures here throughout Friday could reach highs of 18 or 19 degrees Celsius. Behind the cold front though, with that introduction of the fresher air, temperatures much notably down compared to Thursday, reaching only highs of 12 or 13 degrees Celsius. For the evening rush hour then, some heavy bursts of rain possible across southeast England as that cold front eventually clears its way through. That will lead into clear intervals through Friday night. Still some showers filtering their way in from the northwest, but underneath those clear skies and the ever decreasing breeze, temperatures will drop away a bit more. So a noticeably more chillier night as we move throughout into the early hours of Saturday morning. The rest of Saturday then, as we saw before, an area of high pressure beginning to build in. So turning calmer, turning more settled for the most part. And many of us will get away with a fairly fine day with some prolonged sunny intervals. Still a scattering of showers to cater for across northwestern areas, but these will tend to be lighter compared to what we will see throughout Friday. Where you're in the sunshine as well, temperatures will be around average for the time of year with highs between 15 and 16 degrees Celsius. You can catch a full forecast for the weekend on our YouTube channel with Alex Deacon, and of course stay up to date with everything by following us on social media. And we'll see you again here soon. Bye bye.